Welcome back to Primetime News and thanks for staying with us. Continuing the news now, the police are once again facing the wrath of the public after a 17-year-old boy was shot and killed in Granville, St. James on Sunday. Residents say the victim, identified only as Tajay, surrendered to the officers, but he was still brutally killed, and so they took to the streets on Monday in protest. A handful of protesters in Granville, St. James Monday morning, 24 hours after what they say was one of the worst Mother's Day in the community.
I'm a friend's son, and we hurt, we feel it.
And everybody traumatized, man. Yesterday, Mother's Day. See, no mother in a Granville can have a good Mother's Day. Any mother will hear about this in a Granville. No mother in a Granville have a good Mother's Day. Everybody belly bottom about out. And right now, the lady with fear pity the January 1, him start relive everything where I'm from them the time.
Around 5:30 Sunday morning, one of their own, 17-year-old Tajay, was shot and killed during a police operation. Sources say the police were on patrol in the community when they got into a confrontation with the teen who fired at them. However, residents say that's far from the truth. They told us Tajay was innocently killed.
We know they have to talk about who wrong and who right. Me uncle say, saying when the police stop the youth stop and give up and put his hand up in our ear. So, saying if you put up his hand in our ear, that means he surrender. If he surrender, he don't have to get no gunshot. An 18-year-old don't have to get no gunshot once he surrender. That me they say.
When you beg, don't kill him. And the police run the man away, run away the girl, run away. And after guys, 4 shots in a guy tomorrow. And then take the gun where the guy got and shoot up and mush up on car. Cold-blooded.
His mother was too shaken to speak, but one of the victim's relatives spoke to our news team.
My little cousin have no flesh on him body. He not even thick no fat like him. 17-year-old. 17-year-old appear rifle shot on a game.
We observed the police on standby in the community as the people protested. However, the residents did not mince words as they demand justice for Tajay.
All the police them come for do is just kill the local ghetto youth. What them implement for the local young youth and for them pick up gun. Rather than right there so they can get seed. They can get the young youth them for plant and buy back from the youth them and export them. Give them look something for do in the community. See some a gunman. Give them something for do now. Give them something for do. Uno just want to come in, or when you use them surrender, uno still just a fire shot so.
We unsuccessfully tried to get a response from the police. However, we were told Indicom is investigating.